NFTs aren't doing too great recently, right? We see quite a bit of reduction in activity. And in this video, we are going to look at various different charts taken from Dune Analytics. So the links to those two dashboards is in the video description. You can have a look at this yourselves and look at the updated data. Let's first have a look at the activity around daily trading volume denominated in US dollars. So this chart here starts at the end of January of this year, and we can see on one particular day here on the 31st of January, we saw a trading volume of roughly 1 billion US dollars on a single day. Now, nowadays, if we add up all of those numbers, we are looking at a bit over 20 million. So in the span of roughly half a year, a bit more than half a year, we have seen denominated in US dollars, the trading volume going down by roughly 98%. Now, parts of it is due to Ethereum, right? The US dollar of Ethereum going down, but there's also more to it. Now, when we zoom out a little bit, right? When we look at the activity in the last 12 months, we see it's not just one boom that we've seen with NFT trading, right? We see booms and busts, but the current level, the currently low level that we see since June or so, it's pretty much unique, right? We've never come down that much. The question really is, can this recover? This is the volume over time. And this is not just a graph that has been plotted the wrong way. NFTs had been around for quite a bit. It simply was a very, very niche market in the early days, right? Look at these weekly transaction volumes. The whole market had maybe 100K or so in transactions for each week. So it was just lingering around. Then it was slightly growing, but really we only saw this taking off around February of 2021. So we had roughly 1 year of a lot of action, and now those subsequent 6-7 months, the implosion. Now, the Ethereum price decline is not the only reason, right? Ethereum didn't go down by 98%. We can also see the number of buyers and sellers, or you can also aggregate this. The number of total traders went down. So this went from 72K down to 41K. And that's again since beginning of the year. So there's less interest in activities, less interest in NFTs. If we zoom out here, right? So this chart here zoomed out. Instead of looking at the daily, we're looking at the weekly, and we start already in July of 2021. We can see a relatively solid contraction. So what used to be a boom is now a slow fade in terms of traders. Now, there's a compounding effect to all of this, right? There's less people trading NFTs, there's a lower Ethereum price, but there's also less transactions. So the number of transactions is actually shrinking more than the number of traders. So even the traders that stick around, they do less transactions. And so all of this combined, right? Less activity per trader, less traders, and a lower Ethereum price. It all leads to this overall rapid crash of the entire liquidity in the NFT market. Another interesting chart is over here. So we can see here how the number of sellers is actually higher than the number of buyers for quite a while. So it's people trying to exit the space. And with that exit, we can also see a consolidation of the market to the one player that's dominating it all, namely OpenSea. So what can we take from all of this? NFTs seem to be pretty much a levered version of crypto, right? It's crypto on steroids. If things go down, NFT trading, NFT liquidity is imploding. If things go up, this might also recover again and create phenomenal gains. But this is what we can see from these charts, right? NFTs are risk stacked on top of risk, stacked on top of even more risk. So the saying here is more important than ever. Really just invest what you can lose completely, that you're willing to lose, because that might simply just happen. Even with the lower gas fees on Ethereum, NFT activity cannot pick up. So simply be careful out there. And if you are getting into NFTs, then maybe try to focus at least on the blue chips, as in maybe go with a CryptoPunk, maybe with a Bored Ape, something that's likely going to be around maybe in 2 or 3 more years. The further long tail you get in this market, the more likely it is that you won't be able to recoup your investment. Please give this video a like in order to help this channel grow. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. There's another video discussing the current bear market. Hope to see you in that video, and thanks for watching this one. Bye bye.